Okay guys, this na the Tecno Spark 8 and this one na the Tecno Spark 7. For this video, I want to compare the two and then see the difference between the Spark 7 and the Spark 8. Tecno launched this Spark 7 on April 16th of this year, and then about 2 months later, then they can launch this Spark 8 and make them available. Actually, this one's supposed to be the upgraded version of the Spark 7. So we expect the Spark 8 today more better or improved than the Spark 7. So I will try to compare the two for this video and then see the similarities between the two and then the differences too. So watch this video reach the end so that you'll get the difference between the Spark 7 and then the Spark 8. If you never already subscribed to this channel, I beg, take your time, subscribe now, like this video and still help us share and give your friends. And then one last thing, now Megalight Communication now they sponsor this video and their office day for Abis Mechanic Junction for Amarata for Bayelsa State. So if you're there anywhere around Yanagua for Bayelsa State, they sure to patronize them because they sell all kinds of phones and accessories. When Tecno released the Spark 8, I dey excited because I expect an improved version to the Spark 7. So I dey expect to see many improvements and many updates for the Spark 8. But last I did disappointed because now almost the same thing like the inside. The difference now just small thing, and we will take our time talk about the two now. And I would like to start with the similarity between the two first. Just in case you never watched the unboxing and review video to the two phones, I dropped their link under the description section for this video. So take your time and check them out. As you can see here, two of them come in the same packaging box. The same size, the same color, everything are almost the same except for just the name when they're inside. While this one carries Spark 7, this one carries Spark 8 and just a little design, but now more or less the same thing. The two phones they run on Android 11 with the same battery capacity of 5000 mAh. Two of them get the same front and back camera capacity of 16 megapixel for back and 8 megapixel for front. Spark 8 and 7, they use the same HiOS version, which is 7.6, and their screen resolution are the same too, and now 720 by 1600 pixel. If you focus only on the display of the phone, then you fit not know the difference between the two phones. Their display they very similar. And virtually almost every performance for inside the display of the two phones, they're very similar. So it go there hard for you to differentiate between the two phones if you actually the operate them with your hands. Okay, now maybe you don't wonder what will be the difference between the two phones. For the Spark 8, Tecno focus on improving on the features when they're already there on Spark 7. So they not add new features to the Spark 8. Then Tecno decide to add few tweaks to the features when they already did the Spark 7 and then build them into the Spark 8. For example, Spark 8 back camera gets slow motion mode, but Spark 7 no get them. Spark 8 and 7 get the same camera capacity of 16 megapixel. So these two phones will give you the same video and picture quality. But now only Spark 8 you go fit use to take videos in slow motion. Another difference be say Spark 8 gets super boost system optimization when Tecno claims say it go make the phone run smooth past the other phones like the Spark 7 and Spark 7P when they don't earlier release. Spark 8 still come with improved sound qualities past Spark 7. Tecno call them DTS stereo sound effect. I tried this feature and really not be lie. This one na one advantage when Spark 8 stay past Spark 7. For example, when I did test the sound from the audio recorder of Spark 8 when I don't do earlier, it gave me fine sound and the sound cancel background noise past the one when it say Spark 7 do, and it really give great audio sound. The CPU of Spark 7 they run at 1.6 GHz, while Spark 8 only run at 1.8 GHz. So Spark 8 use 0.2 GHz, they better pass Spark 7 on. The last major difference between these two phones now the wallpaper for their home screen. By comparison, see what we get for the screen. Then the Spark 8 still get added improvements to the smart panel when follow and come. Unlike other Tecno phones like the Spark 7, when they say their smart panel go get one small icon for side of the screen when you go fit activate the smart panel. For this one, you not go need that icon. You go only need to swipe from either the left or right corner of the screen and then hold down for like 1 or 2 seconds for the smart panel to appear. So if you actually expect something new and big for the Spark 8 when Tecno recently released, sorry to disappoint you. Well, actually not be me disappoint you. Sorry say Tecno disappoint you on this one. And again, check the description of this video for the link to the unboxing and review of the Tecno Spark 8, Spark 7, Spark 7P, and the Spark Go 2021 edition. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel too.